Students, I am Snehal Dubey welcoming you to my electrical engineering online classes by Snehal Dubey. As in my previous videos, we have already discussed about various topic of transformer such as transformer on no load condition, definition of transformer, transformer on no load condition, transformer on load conditions, efficiency of transformer, rating of transformers, and many more, EMF equation of transformer, and many more. Now in this particular video we will discuss about the formulas related with all such topics that we have already discussed. Okay, that means I am providing you all the listed all the list of formulas related with the transformer, which is very much helpful for all of you to solve the numericals. So the special relation related with the transformer, you have to keep in mind all these particular formulas. The first one is EMF equation of transformer for primary side, that is E1 is equal to 4.44 F into 5M into N1 volt. Okay, where F is the frequency of supply, 5M is the maximum flux flowing in armature core, and N1 is the number of turns in primary winding. Second, EMF equation of transformer for secondary side, that is E2. E2 is equal to 4.44 F into 5M into N2, where F is the supply frequency, 5M is the maximum flux flowing in the armature core, and N2 is the number of turns in secondary winding. One thing you have to remember, that E1 is equal to V1 and E2 is equal to V2. So if in particular questions, if it has ask you about V1 and V2, then you can also find out the value of V1 and V2 from this particular formulas. Okay, next, that is transformation ratio of transformer, that is K is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to E2 by E1 is equal to I1 by I2. Next, maximum flux density, that is BM is equal to 5M into BM is equal to 5M upon A, and unit is Weber per meter square. So you can write the EMF equation with respect to 5M as well. Okay, next, input power. The input power to the transformer is, as it is a single phase transformer, that means the input power will be V1 into I1 into cos phi 1. The unit of power will be watt. Power output of transformer, Pout is equal to X into kVA rating of transformer into 1000 into power factor. X is the load component of transformer, kVA rating of transformer is the output rating, 1000 comes for the K, that is kilo, and the power factor, its unit is also a watt. Okay, next, efficiency of transformer, that is eta. Eta is equal to formula, eta is equal to output upon output plus losses. So output is X into kVA into 1000 into power factor upon output X into kVA into 1000 into power factor plus losses. Two types of losses, iron loss plus X chi square into copper loss, because in my previous video I have spoken about that the copper losses depends on the current value of current or value of load. So X is the load component of transformer. Okay, that depends. So the output of the transformer is depends on the load component, as well as the copper loss occur in the transformer is also depends on the load component. Okay, next, some other relations. Keep in mind all such relations, that is no load component of current I0. No load component of current I0 is equal to root of, okay, root of IW chi square plus IM chi square. That means IW is the working component of current and IM is the magnetizing component of current. In my previous video on topic no load condition of transformer, I have already taught you about this. Okay, next, working component of current, that is IW. The formula for working component of current is IW is equal to I0 into cos phi 0. Unit will be ampere. Magnetizing component of current IM is equal to I0 into sin phi 0. Next, maximum flux phi m is equal to Bm into A Weber. So if you replace the value of phi m in EMF equation of transformer, then you can find the relation of EMF equation and the maximum flux density. okay, and maximum flux density as well as on with area of armature core, area of core. Okay, next है current flowing through primary winding when transformer is loaded. Okay, so we have discussed about this on topic transformer on load conditions, when load is inductive and power factor is lagging power factor. Okay, so I1 is equal to formula root of I0 का square plus I2 dash का square plus 2 into I0 into I2 dash into cos Y0 minus Y2 dash. Okay, remember I am repeating here, I1 is equal to root of I0 का square plus I2 dash का square plus 2 into I0 into I2 dash into cos Y0 minus Y2 dash. When load is capacitive and power factor is leading power factor, the formula for primary current I1 is equal to, according to phasor diagram we have we find out all this formula according to law of parallelogram. Okay, I1 is equal to root of I0 square plus I2 dash का square plus 2 into I0 into I2 dash cos phi2 dash minus phi 0. Next है, when load is resistive and power factor is unity power factor, that is I1 is equal to root of I0 का square plus I2 dash का square plus 2 into I0 into I2 dash into cos phi 0 ampere. So okay, you have to go through all these formulas, so that if you learn it by heart, then you will never have any problem related with numericals in transformer, and you will get more and more marks in topic transformer. Okay, thank you, stay home, stay safe. Okay, please, if you have any doubt, ask. You can ask any question on me, comment me. I will provide you best possible solutions as early as possible. I shall provide you the answer as early as possible. Subscribe my channel, share with your friends, like it and comment on it. Okay, and press the bell icon. So start learning with me. Okay, hope you are enjoying it. And one more thing I want to say, that after this particular video we will start the numericals related with the transformer. So please go through the all formulas. All these formulas cover up to the topic of efficiency of transformer. After that, when we start the second part of the transformer, single phase transformer topic, then we will discuss some theory, and after that we will discuss all the numericals related with all that theories. Okay, so please go through it, and if you have any problem, then comment me, subscribe my channel, like it, share with your friends. Thank you very much.